Goal setting is an activity often overlooked, especially around the new year. Sure, people set resolutions, but there's a very good reason why gym memberships skyrocket in January and tail off during the spring. Resolutions don't work. If there is something you really want to accomplish for the new year, use goal-setting techniques. Goal setting starts with making goals that are SMART: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Specific means that a goal is not something general. Specific goals answer the questions of who, what, where, when, how, and why. For example, if you set a goal to lose weight, it's not specific. If your goal states that you're going to lose 20 pounds in 3 months, that's specific. Setting a goal to lose 20 pounds is measurable because you can use the scale to quickly determine whether you're on your way to meeting that goal. A goal is achievable when you can reach that goal within the limits of your skills and resources. If you have a goal of playing professional football, but you're barely strong enough to carry a suitcase, you might want to reconsider that goal. Realistic means that the goal is not some kind of pipe dream. For example, if your goal is to make $1 billion by tomorrow and you only have $3 in your bank account, you may be disappointed with your results. This does not mean that you will never reach the $1 billion mark, but it may take you 24 years, not 24 hours, to achieve it. Time-bound means that your goals should have an end date. If your goal doesn't have an end date, it's not a goal, it's an activity. A goal to make $1 million is not a good goal because you can probably make $1 million total in your working lifetime. A better goal is to make $1 million in 10 years. So when you are goal setting, what is an example of a SMART goal? For someone who currently bench presses 100 pounds, a SMART goal would be, I will bench press 200 pounds by August 31, 2013.